Anyway, guys, today I'm taking you on an adventure. My mom's sticking her tongue out the rooster. Guys, I'm taking you on an adventure today to Italy. Preferably, I like this Italian chicken sandwich. It's called a Passiano chicken sandwich. And it has tons of flavor. It's got onions. It's got mushrooms. It's got roasted red peppers, provolone cheese. Just everything is just delicious on it. Make this meal for you, teach you guys how to make this delicious sandwich. Check out the video. I'm going to be making it. Damn, that's a big ass bird. That's why the birds are screaming, because a big eagle just flew overhead and it scared the hell out of the birds. Anyway, guys, getting off this track here, I am going to get this chicken cooking and we're going to show you how we make it. Sit back and enjoy. All right, guys, first thing we're going to do is get our Blackstone heated up here. We want to bring this on a high heat, let it heat up, take a little bit of oil, and just let that go just like that. We today are using the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We'll just sit them to the side. We don't need them right now. What we do need, though, is a red onion. Cut off the ends here. Guys, make sure you have yourselves a good sharp knife whenever you're making any kind of food. A dull knife gives you a really deep cut. A good sharp knife, you never get cut on. And that is wise information from my dad, who was a butcher for a long time. He never got cut on a dull knife, on a sharp knife, always on a dull one. All right, guys, first what we're going to do is we're going to take our mandolin here, and we're going to take this red onion, and we're going to slice it down a little bit. That's going to be perfect for the sandwich. We'll set that to the side. Some roasted red peppers. Now we got some mushrooms. Mushrooms, you can cut them any way you want. We're just going to cut them straight across like this. Get them to the side. Basic seasoning on it. I have here a little bit of oregano. I'll drop some oregano in there. I got a little bit of smoked paprika. That's going to give a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of parsley. Got to keep the vampires away. Garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Not much, just a little bit of salt. Flip them over. And repeat. And I'll leave everything in the description below, the full recipe. Make sure they're nice and coated. That oil is looking good. Got a pair of tongs, so we're going to be using a knife here. What we're going to do is, if you can see it up close and look what it looks like. Just going to lay them right on there. Guys are going to sit like that, and we're going to get some nice color on them for a few minutes, and then we'll flip them and get some color on the other side. All right, guys, we're going to take a quick peek at these, see how we're doing here. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Nice char on there. All right, how we doing on this side? Same thing. We're going to take those onions, the mushrooms, and those red peppers. We're just going to put them right here. Get nice and happy. Take a little bit more oil. And close it up. Let it go. So while that chicken is cooking in there, I want to make a quick, simple little sauce to put on our bread. I have here some mayonnaise. I think I forgot to open it because it's a brand new container. But this sauce, like I said, very simple, very easy. 2 ingredients. Want a good, nice helping thing of mayonnaise? I would say probably, what, a 1/4 cup? All right. We'll make sure that we got a 1/4 cup in there. Put that to the side. Now, sweet Vidalia onion salad dressing. It's a game changer and it's a game winner. Guys, we're going to put about that much in there. Give this a good little mixing through. Mayonnaise and a little bit of that sweet Vidalia onion salad dressing. And there you have a great little sauce to put on your bread. And we're going to put this together, and I'm telling you, wait until the end when you see what it looks like. It is going to just blow your mind. But do me a favor, guys. If you've went this far and you've watched the video, like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And please do leave a comment. It helps out me. It helps out my channel. And guys, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. I can't tell you how close we are. And the love and the support that you guys have shown me is just, I mean, it's overwhelming. Every day I look at it, I see we're getting closer and closer. Right now, I think we're at 884 followers right now, subscribers. Guys, we're so close. And with your love and your support, I know I'll make that 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget about that 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So be sure to tune in and make sure you click that little bell button down there to let you know when I'm making another video. Guys, back in a minute. All right, guys, this is looking really good. That chicken's almost done. But as you can see, how everything, once it starts cooking, it all starts to break down. It looks like a lot when you put it in there, and then all of a sudden it's like, where did it all go? The onions, because you cut them real small like that, they just start to melt. But this part here is done. We're going to go ahead and just slide it right over here to the side. Just like that. We're going to temp these chickens, see how the chicken is on temperature. And then wait until I show what we do next. It is fabulous. About 150 degrees, so we're not quite there yet. All right, guys, I have here a little French baguette. What we're going to do is we're going to just cut this in half, slice it right down the middle. What we're going to do is we're going to put them on the grill. But we have first, I got some herb garlic butter. Yes, herb garlic butter. We're going to put that on there first, let that melt down a little bit, and we're going to get these nice and crunchy. And I'm telling you, it is just going to be an added flavor. Here goes the butter. Just going to lay the butter right on there just like that. Let it melt down. What you're going to do is you're going to take the baguette, lay it right on there just like that. Just like that. Just like that. And can't forget the last one. Just like that. Top and bottom. I'm going to let that go just like that. And it's going to get a nice little browning on there. And when we get done, we're going to build this sandwich. All right, guys, that chicken is done now. So we're going to go ahead and pull that chicken off. Look at that. Oh, man, guys. Oh, that smells so good. Can't do nothing yet. You got to cover it. You got to cover it and you got to let it sit, guys. You got to let it sit. Got to let all those aromas and all those marinades in there, got to just let them settle down now. All those juices settle down. Just let it sit. I know it's hard, but you got to let it sit. Look at that bread. Look at the crust on that bread. Oh, yeah. So what we're going to do is, guys, we'll just lay the bread right here. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that bread looks. Oh, it's almost the moment we've been waiting for. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut these chicken. And how we're going to do that, very simply, is take it and just cut it. Just like this. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's so juicy. Look at how juicy. Look at that, man. Just letting it sit a little bit. Here, I told you something special. I have here reduced balsamic vinegar and a little bit of brown sugar in a reduction. I'm just going to drizzle it right over top of the chicken. Oh my God. Just a little bit on this one. A little bit on this one. And now what? What are we going to do now? Now we're going to put them back on the Blackstone and we'll build that sandwich. Go ahead and put these back on the Blackstone. And you don't want to lose that juice, guys. You don't want to lose it. Put it right back over there just like that, guys. The build. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of this, onions and the red peppers and the mushrooms. I'm just going to put it right on top of the chicken. Oh my God. So freaking good. Take yourself some provolone cheese. The reason why you're going to use the provolone cheese is because you really want to keep everything from falling out. So we're going to lay the provolone cheese right over top of our mushrooms and onions and red peppers. And that cheese is going to melt and it's going to just hold everything right in there. And guys, if you watch my previous videos, you know I love my cheese. Actually, I think this guy here is going to take 3 slices. You know what? I hate to leave people out, so I don't want this sandwich getting jealous, so I'm going to use 3 slices on him also. You don't want your sandwiches getting jealous. Now, all right, guys, remember that mayonnaise sauce we made here? Take a little bit of that. I'm going to put that right on that bread. Oh, that bit of bread is so nice and crunchy now. Go ahead. Now, we're going to take that chicken off of there now. Oh my God, guys. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should show this to you or not. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I got a little straggler here. Well, you know what? Stragglers are taste testers. Wow. So freaking good. Look at these sandwiches. That is definitely a meal. Absolutely right. Just that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All those flavors come together. Wow. Guys, the only thing I can do now is I can just cut this and take a bite out of it and see how we did. But I'm telling you, man, boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, whoever's watching this, you got to try this, guys. You got to try it. Do me a favor, check me out on Amazon. Also, you can order your Blackstone from Amazon through my link. Blackstone griddles are great. They're fantastic. And I just can't stop using it. But do me a favor, guys. We're going to go ahead and bite into this. Do me a favor, like and subscribe and share this with your friends. But until next time, God bless and happy eats.